Trimming hedges, mastering garden maintenance conversations in English. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our Conversational English series. Today, we are diving into the world of gardening and outdoor maintenance, with a specific focus on trimming hedges. This routine task not only helps keep our gardens neat and tidy but also gives us a lot of interesting phrases and vocabulary to enrich our English language skills. Let's get started. Hedge trimming is the act of cutting or pruning hedges and bushes to maintain their shape and size. This process involves a variety of tools, techniques, and safety measures. In our everyday conversations, we might need to talk about this activity, especially if we are discussing our evening routines or household chores. The phrases and vocabulary related to hedge trimming can be really useful. Hedge, a fence or boundary formed by closely growing bushes or shrubs. Trimming, cutting off irregular or unwanted parts. Pruning shears, a tool used to cut plant stems and branches. Ladder, a piece of equipment used for climbing up or down something. Green waste, yard waste such as grass or shrub clippings. Remember to use these words in your conversations to enrich your language and sound more like a native speaker. I'm going to trim the hedges this evening. Could you pass me the pruning shears? We need to dispose of the green waste after trimming. I always use a ladder to reach the top of the hedges. Try to incorporate these phrases into your daily English conversations. Let's look at a few dialogues to better understand how to use this vocabulary and these phrases in real-life conversations. Dialogue 1. Person A. What are you doing after dinner? Person B. I'm planning on trimming the hedges. They've grown quite a bit. Dialogue 2. Person A. Why is there so much green waste in the yard? Person B. I was trimming the hedges. I'll clean it up soon. There you have it, dear learners. Now, you have the necessary vocabulary and phrases to confidently talk about hedge trimming, a common gardening task, in English. Practice these words and phrases, try them out in your own sentences, and you'll see how much they can enrich your everyday English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. See you in our next video.